Hi, and welcome to the ID series tutorial. In this video, we will show you how to set up and operate the NEXO ID loudspeaker system composed of one ID24 with its companion sub IDS110 powered by an NEXO Mark II. You will need one IDS110, one 35mm pole stand with M20 connector, and one ID24 equipped with IDT TVP adapter. Once the system assembled, you have to check the horn orientation at the back of the speaker. Rotate the knob to the desired horizontal and vertical coverage. The speakers are equipped with two Speakon NL4 connectors with parallel wired pins. ID24 uses the -2 +2 pins. IDS110 uses the -1 +1 pins. NEXO speakers must be used with a NEXO processor to perform at its best efficiency and safety. IDS110 is set on channel 1 and will be affected to output A on -1 +1 pins. ID24 is set on channel 2 and will be affected to output A on -2 +2 pins. Finally, both signals feed one single NL4 connector on output A, so that it becomes easy to connect the NX amp to the sub with one NL4 cable. And connect the sub to ID24 with a short NL4 link cable. Now, let's see in practice how to operate that connection. First, make sure you have an NL4 cable and connect it on the output A of the NX amp. Connect this cable to one of the Speakon connector of the IDS110. Connect your second short link NL4 cable from the other Speakon connector up to the Speakon connector of the ID24. Your system is now properly cabled and it's time to operate your NX amp with the right presets. Power on the NX amp with a long press on the rotary encoder. Once the boot up is completed, the default setting menu will appear. Now, press the bottom part of the display to access the presets menu. This menu allows to select either a speaker preset for each selected channel or 4-channel speaker preset arrangement provided by NEXO. Pressing the NEXO button will display standard speaker setup like IDS110 and ID24. Turn the encoder until you find a preset that fits your application. Then, press Recall. The default screen is now displayed, and you can review your settings by pressing the up arrow on the top left of the screen. Individual channel settings are now displayed, allowing a quick check of the configuration. With ID24, you might have to adjust the preset according to its horn. To do that, press the corresponding channel, select the cabinet settings, choose your current horn, your application mode, and finally, its crossover frequency. Next step is to check your input patch. If your current input patch doesn't suit your configuration, select your channel and modify its patch accordingly. Once the operation completed, it's easy to check both input patch and output patch with NL4 pin allocation. Finally, press the down arrow to access to volume settings. Select your channel and rotate the encoder to raise the volume. If you need more details, you can download the user manual on the NEXO website. Thanks for watching and see you soon!